Happy Wednesday, everybody. This is Alex Shakola from Wollaston Real Estate Investments and
Harrison Bonner.
And we have been working at 14 Cottage Street over the last 2 weeks. We've been doing a lot of framing and prepping for some new floor plans. What I thought would be interesting to do today is discuss how you remove a load-bearing wall to create more of an open concept. We use a special type of wood called an LVL, and I'm going to turn that over to Harrison to explain what that process looks like to create a more open concept.
So as we were doing demo on this property, we encountered a little bit of a framing obstacle. So I'll kind of walk you through what that is and then how we're going to address it so that we can achieve the floor plan that we want.
So an LVL is a structural beam that replaces a load-bearing wall. LVL actually stands for laminated veneer lumber, and this is a specific type of engineered lumber that's designed to hold a significant amount of weight from above. And now in order to remove the existing load-bearing wall, what we have to do first is we have to add 2 temporary walls on either side of the existing wall, so that when we remove the existing wall to replace with the LVL, the floor above doesn't come crashing down.
Sitting on the beam, this is the center of the LVL.
Once the floor above is braced, we then remove the existing wall and cut the floor joists above, so that we can then fasten those joists to the LVL that will slide into the space.
What we have to do in order to open the space up is we have to somehow figure out a way to put a post right here.
The LVL is then placed into the cutout opening, leveled with a jack, then nailed into place so that we can support each side of the LVL with posts to carry the weight of the structure, and attach all of the floor joists above with hangers and the appropriate fasteners so that everything is up to building code and has a nice strong support for the floor above. Once that is done and everything is fastened and supported, we've then created a nice open entertainment space that's very structurally sound.
Like fine wine, baby, like fine wine.